Hi friends, it's Miss Drywa. Happy Friday. So we have our last day of multiplying by 7. You've all done such an amazing job. We're going to continue practicing our multiplication facts of 7 or 7 times table using our different methods, equal groups, skip counting, touch points. So we'll get started. We'll do a little skip counting and then I'll model a 1 digit by 1 digit problem and then a 2 digit by 1 digit problem. You can work on your worksheets and then have a wonderful weekend. Okay, let's get started. So I have here 7. We this week have been working on multiplying by which number, friends? 7. Awesome job. So when we are skip counting by a number, we always have to start with that number. So what number are we going to start with? 7. Awesome job. So let's get started. So 7, I want you to say it with me, okay? So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. We'll do it one more time. There we go. All right, so 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Awesome job, friends. So those are all our multiples of 7. So now let's get started with some multiplication. Okay, so we have 5 times 7. Now remember, when we make equal groups, if we decide to use this strategy, which is fine, our first number tells us how many groups we need. So how many groups do I need to make? 5. Awesome job. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 groups, because 5 is the first number. How many should I put in each group? 7. Awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 5 groups with 7 in each group, right? So I have 5 equal groups of 7. So now I just have to skip count my groups. And since I have 7 in each group, I'm going to skip count by 7. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So 5 times 7 equals 35. If I wanted to use my touch points and skip count on my touch points, that's also a good strategy that we could use. So I have my 5 touch points on the number 5 already, and I'm going to skip count by 7. That's my second number, and that's the multiplication facts we're working on this week. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So both strategies work fine, friends, because we got the same answer, and it's the correct answer. So let me clear my screen, go to my next problem. So now I have 12 times 7, and I have 2 digits multiplied by 1 digit. Now, we've been working on this. So my friends, remember the 7 has an important role. He has to multiply by both place values, the 2 and the 1, the ones place and the tens place. And just like in addition and subtraction, we always start at the ones place. So in this case, I'm going to do 2 times 7. Now, I'm going to use my touch points. So I'm skip counting by 7 on my 2 touch points. Now remember, friends, if you don't have touch points and you need them, you can always add them, Or sometimes you can even picture them there. So if I didn't have touch points on my 2, but I would know that one would go here and one would go here, I could just skip count on those points, even if they're not there, okay? So, but they are there, so we're good today. So let's do, so 7, 14. Well, 14 looks like this. So I know I cannot fit 2 digits here because I have another one right here and his answer has to go there. So I have to put my first digit up here and my second digit down here. So now I have my 14, my 1 and my 4, my 1 and my 4. Now my 2 is done. He can take a nap. Now I have to multiply my 1. So I have 1 times 7. Now we know 1 times any number is always that same number. So 1 times 7 is going to equal 7. But I have my 1 up here. I just have to add it in though. So I have 1 times 7 equals 7 plus 1 more, 8. So 12 times 7 equals 84. All right, friends. So great job this week. You can continue practicing to count by 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 when you do all your activities. You know, if you're outside playing and you have balls, or if you have crayons and you're coloring, you can put them into groups to practice skip counting. You can, you know, use these math problems anywhere. If you're baking, if you're helping someone in the kitchen cook, all these math facts are going to help you. So great job, friends. Have a wonderful weekend.